Are you having problems with your Good Coffee, Great Coffee app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Good Coffee, Great Coffee app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now when you're on your settings app, then what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, because as you can see, then you should be taken to this page. Now on this page you're just going to scroll down a little bit and then click on storage in here. So click on storage, and as you can see you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just swipe up like this, and here just search for good coffee. As you can see, just click on it, and then you're going to click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again, and just wait for your Good Coffee app right now to completely update to the latest version. Because what will happen is that by doing this that I just showed you step by step, you are going to force the app to update to its absolute latest version. So it's going to fix all the bugs that was probably in the previous one. And try this and go back into the app. This thing right here actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.